Topic name is poverty as a challenges. We know very well poverty is not good for the country's economic development. Poverty will not allow any country to make progress. It is one of the sin for those countries who are having poverty. Poverty will not allow people to make progress for their future. It always hampers the growth of people who are living in particular country. If we say India, India is also facing poverty. It is seen, it is major issue. Nowadays we have to tackle this issue as soon as possible. Poverty will not bring prosperity in any country. It always brings adversity. It will not make any people successful. It will not give you chance to make progress in your life. There are so many issues why poverty take place. Indian people are facing poverty. Why? Because they are poor. They do not have money. They do not have their own land. They do not have job. Due to large families, they have big size families. They do not have money to get standard medical facilities. They cannot get education due to not having money. Money is also important to determine your poverty level. Poverty can be solved by many government schemes. Our Indian government has announced many schemes to tackle issue related to poverty. There are so many issues we have to understand. If we understand this issue, we'll tell you why and how poverty should be removed from the society. Poverty is not good for the country's development. We know very well how countries can develop in the presence of poverty. Poverty is supposed to be eradicated as soon as possible. We have to eradicate poverty. If there is poverty, if poverty is making presence in the Indian society, we have to neglect and remove poverty. It is not good for the future of the people. So we have to tackle this issue. Landlessness. Landlessness. So many people do not have their own land. Due to not having their own land, they are not getting job. They are doing their job in other farm. In someone's farms, they are working and they are earning the daily wages. This is the first issue. Second issue is they do not have employment. Why they do not have employment? Because they are illiterate. They do not have skill education. They do not have any degree. So how can you expect from those people who are illiterate can be given employment in the government? So no government can give them job due to not having any educational degrees. Illiteracy also adds significance in the poverty. Poverty is there due to unemployment. Then illiteracy, I told you size of the family. There are so many families, 10 members, 20 members. If there are 10 members, 20 members in any family, how can we expect from individual to get education in school? They will never get education, they will never get proper food, they will never get fair chances. So this is also one of the most important reason why poverty is taking place, why poverty is occurring in the society. After that, poor health and malnutrition. If they are not getting healthy food in the family, they will lead malnutrition, poor health. They will not get nutritious food and they always suffer from many danger diseases. Nutritious food is supposed to be given them. Often they always prefer to go in the market. Why? Because for getting nutritious food, they will bring vegetables and they will eat if they have money. If they do not have money, how can they buy fresh vegetables for their family? After that, child labor and helplessness. Child labor is also increasing due to poverty. So many families are sending their children to get job, to do work in the hotel, and they are earning. Child labor are increasing. Why it is increasing? Due to poverty. No one is ready to help poor people. They must be helped as soon as possible. Why? Because it is very important. Poor economic development of any country always bring poverty, because poverty is not good for future economic development. A country's economic development cannot be obtained in the presence of poverty. There are so many government schemes which is known as anti-poverty schemes, which are ready to eliminate poverty from the society. We know very well these schemes are very important for those people who are facing poverty in their life. There are so many schemes. One of them is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 aims to provide 100 days uh, labor to every household to ensure livelihood security in rural areas. Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, then Antyodaya Anna Yojana, then Swarna Jayanti, Gram Swarojgar Yojana, then Rural Employment Generation Program. These are the schemes which are very important for poor people. They may be able to develop their economic status only for to rid from the poverty. Poverty can be escaped from every poor people with the help of these anti-poverty schemes. These schemes which are very useful for each and every people who are poor. Then anti-poverty measures is playing a very important role. So we know very well India is also facing such a heinous issue, has to be solved as soon as possible if India is ready to face poverty. So India will be able to remove poverty very soon. We know very well if poverty is not supposed to be in society, they may be able to face it confidently. Thank you so much.